We're celebrating the Grinder's birthday. It's the 5th Mnyasa's annual party. We're actually at Old Complex Mgodini in Matsulu.
Ushenye sound isiyawa kumnandi khuphuka dust kanti ngoba nongathuki sana ngihamba nezami or I choose macala lokade for fire insimbi nayasho busy ngeyibamba sifithi sipati kudabuka isaba VIP yani sijiva nabantu sikhipha amajazi uyalazi udaba senge for fire senge
Mnyasa, happy birthday, and I'm gonna celebrate the birthday of Mnyasa. Yeah, Mnyasa!
Happy birthday to you.
Kula boy!
It's DJ Mnyasa's birthday bash. It's a 5th annual birthday bash. Lapho khona sizobe senda into endlela yakhona.
Lona DJ Mabandi ngithatha kusho ukuthi happy birthday to my boy DJ Mnyasa.
Happy birthday, mfana. Sisonke. Mnyasa! Mnyasa!
Mnyasa! Yo! This is for bacteria! Oshaya by Senator!
Yeah, be an exemplary, man. It's Creon Tali. It's awesome being a part and being connected to you.
DJ Mnyasa, khula kahle, boy! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Mnyasa!
Happy birthday, DJ Mnyasa. Celebrate mnandi boti ukhule. Kukhula kusho angeke umile timbondo.
I'm Continue Pub and Grill would like to wish Mnyasa a happy birthday.
And we're talking about a true legend.
Sithi happy birthday uMnyasa. Akhule kahle.
Sasa ukuthi happy birthday to DJ Mnyasa Indumezulu ke le. It's your boy C-Boy from Likwala Kwala FM. Up here Matsulu Old Complex supporting your boy DJ Mnyasa. Happy birthday boy, keep on rocking. Siyokubamela sesikubamela on the drive. Na Fortune Tekati na Buhle every Friday kuLikwala Kwala FM. Thank you son.
Hashtag Indumezulu. Hashtag Indumezulu. Hashtag Indumezulu. Ngiyabonga support ngibonga konke labafikile ama-artist nabo DJ ne-management yaseMatsulu All Complex eMgodini Pub and Grind the Grind Visuals 12 Records ngibonge nje ukuthi yonke into ihleleke ngendlela yakhona ngibonge kulakhe the King Boss for ukubhakela likhekhe lelimnanzi enjoy abantu ukuze ngibonge support emphakathi ngisina next year ngibenjalo ngibonge umdala ngibonge kubatali bami ukuthi ngikhule ngibe kule position lenguyo. This is the 5th annual DJ Mnyasa birthday bash or 5th annual party ka Mnyasa. Next year we're making it bigger and better.
The Grind Visuals. #Memories in Motion.